El Morro is a U.S. national monument in New Mexico. The monument contains a large prehistoric pueblo atop a great sandstone promontory with a pool of water at the base. Between about 1275 to 1350 AD, up to 1,500 people of the ancestral Puebloan culture lived in the 875-room Mesa Top Puebla. El Morro became a landmark where, over the centuries, explorers and travelers have left personal inscriptions that even survive today. One year, when we were visiting El Morro, they were doing archaeology photographic images of all the signatures in hopes that they would not lose them to time and erosion. With its oasis-like source of water, El Morro served as a natural resting place for numerous travelers through the otherwise arid and desolate region, many of whom left their signatures, names, dates, and stories of their treks in the walls of the sandstone cliff. While some of the inscriptions are now faded through the age, there are still many that can be seen today and remain legible, with some dating back to the 17th century.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.